Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today we're going to see how this dual function LED headlight works.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
So in front of us, we have a 4000 lumen 9003 LED headlight, currently plugged into a 2013 CRV. On the top, we have the low beam, blocked by a little shield over here. On the back, we have the high beam LEDs. On both sides, we have 6 CSP LED chips. And our question is, do all the chips light up when we put it in the high beam position? So the only way to find out is by turning it on. So let's do it. Wow, they're really bright. As you can see, the back LEDs are not lit. I know there's a little reflection, but let's see, there we go. These guys are not lit, and be careful, they are very hot. I melted a glove before. Turning this way, the shield is beaming the light directly towards the lens. Doing a full rotation now. There we go. And now let's check out the high beams. Whoa. Uh-oh. As you can see, now the low beams are not even on. We're directly looking at them. Last time that was blinding us a second ago, and now we can just see it's not. I would assume that all the LEDs would be on for the high beams, creating more light. And that would have been probably the total 4000 that they were talking about. So I guess for 6 CSPs, it's 4000 lumen. And I'll show you a quick change back and forward. And turn that off because that heatsink is starting to get hot as well. And as we just witnessed, the low beam only had the 6 front CSPs on, and the high beam only had the back 6 CSPs, providing us with that 4000 lumens and more light. Big common sense, right? But I guess not. Well, hopefully this answered you guys' question, and thanks for watching. Till next time.